Canada's next big thing. This is a page we recently launched at Antler, and it's pretty cool. You can see what industry experts are saying about the future of Canada's economy and the startup world. But it's also the first page I've designed and developed for Antler, so I'm excited to share it with you today. Before I get into that, I just wanted to thank Ellen and Clara for gathering content on this page. I also want to thank my boss Stenny for being Canadian. Now, let's dive in. So here's the page here, and basically we have some interesting thoughts from leaders in a number of industries. We have Gen AI, creator economy, the energy sector, and cybersecurity. And basically, if we scroll down to the opportunities section, we can actually see a number of really cool insights from different people in Canada. Now, they're all from different industries and they're all mixed up. So what I thought would be nice to add here is a filter. So you can filter by Gen AI and see, all these different insights about Gen AI. If I want to see energy as well, maybe, and VC startups, I can tick these and I can basically sift through everything that I want to see based on industry. We can keep scrolling down the page here, and if we get to the end, you actually see there's a load more function, so we can actually keep going. There are around 24 of these, so it's quite a deep page, which is why I've actually added this load more functionality. You can see a bit more about Antler in Canada here, and you can actually apply for a residency in Toronto. If you're looking to grow your startup, this is great for founders to apply for an Antler residency. Finally, we have a cool section here which highlights some of the investments that Antler's made in Canadian companies. So you can see this slider here, there's a few featured companies, which is really nice. Now, if we look again at the hero loading animation, you'll see we have a fade in and some of these elements are appearing from the bottom here. Now, I've actually made these animations myself in GSAP. Normally I would use Webflow interactions, but I've actually challenged myself with hand coding these animations, and GSAP is actually a bit more simple than you would have thought. You can see down here, we have one animation which is to get the content to fade in, and we've got another animation here to get the elements to appear from the bottom. Now, in just 2 lines of code, we're able to animate that fade in. And so I just wanted to show that this is a way that I've started to animate, and if you're looking at trying GSAP, it's not as hard as you think. So anyway, thank you for looking at this video, and I'll see you in the next one.